Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tobias and today we're going to unbox this Helm Hammerhand Wraith of the Hornburg. So the front and the back here. And let's have a look inside. So first off, your body, or the legs and waist. And the upper body here. And the face, if I can get some focus here. Some nice details. Arms and base and yeah. And of course a base. Normal infantry base. And let's see. No assembly guide. Maybe it's fairly easy to put together, they reckon. So yeah, I guess so. Well, this was it for Helm Hammerhand Wraith of the Hornburg. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.